उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां। उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां। उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां। झूलिया देख लो अब ये आसमां। झूलिया देख लो अब ये आसमां। इंटरनेशनल इंडियन आइकॉन। 3i इंटरनेशनल इंडियन आइकॉन। आशाओं का काफिला बुलंद हो हौसला, दस्तक दे रही है कोई नई सुबह। सामने है गुजर एक नया है आगाज, उम्मीदों के पंख पे हमने ली है परवाज़। उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां। उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां। झूलिया देख लो अब ये आसमां। झूलिया देख लो अब ये आसमां। 3i इंटरनेशनल इंडियन आइकॉन। 3i इंटरनेशनल इंडियन आइकॉन।
Hey, my 3i mates, love you. How are you? I'm so happy to see you back here. Okay, what we'll do that we are going to enjoy and continue that musical journey from episode 6 to episode 7 along with Mr. Jatin Pandit, the legendary music director. वाह क्या गाने, वाह वाह वाह, जय हो जतिन जी। आप बहुत कमाल का आपने म्यूजिक दिया, बातें भी बड़ी कमाल की हैं आपने। और मैं एक्साइटेड हूं कि इस एपिसोड में आप इन बच्चों के साथ, इन युवाओं के साथ किस तरह से बात करते हैं। लव यू सर। एंड डॉक्टर संधू सर, you are an amazing person. So I'm so excitingly looking forward to all those performances in this episode 7. Hey, let's go for it. Here.
Friends, our next performer is Hasita Ramanathan from Tennessee. She's 13 years old and sings in different genres. The song she's picked up today is the Burn song from the Hamilton musicals. This is the 15th song from Act 2 of the musical Hamilton. And this was premiered in Broadway as a show. Without further ado, let's have the performance.
I'm rereading the letters you wrote me. I'm searching and scanning for answers in every line, for some kind of sign. And when you were mine, the world seemed to burn. You published the letter she wrote you. You told the whole world how you brought this girl into our bed, and clearing your name, you have ruined our lives. Do you know what Angelica said when she read what you'd done? She said, you have married an Icarus. He has flown too close to the sun. And when your words obsessed with your legacy, your sentences border on senseless, and you are paranoid in every paragraph how they perceive you. I'm erasing myself from the narrative. Let future sure historians wonder how Eliza reacted when you broke her heart. You have torn it all apart, and I'm watching it burn. Watching it burn. The world has no right to my heart. The world has no place in our bed. They don't get to know what I said. I'm burning the memories, burning the letters that might have redeemed you. You forfeit all rights to my heart. You forfeit the place in our bed. You'll sleep in your office instead, with only the memories of when you were mine. I hope that you
वाह जी वाह,
Very
वाह
nice.
वाह।
Very nice. May we have Hasita on the stage, please? Hi, Hasita. How are you doing? This is Ajay Kumar. Okay. Are we audible to you? We can't hear you. All right. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very nice. Very nice. Better after listening to your performance. I love the way you were throwing the voice as well as the continuity. You have a good breath control. And I'm saying this as a layman, as an audience. And I like the performance. Let's go to our judges. If you're okay, we'll take their feedback input. संधू सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
हसीता मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं ब्रॉडवे का शो देख रहा हूँ, ठीक है नहीं? So this, because there was the emotion, you held the notes very well, and to me it was like, okay, I'm in the show. I just need to see those people doing this, and you know, it's very refreshing here, you know, to hear you, and good luck with you. I think you may have even a career in a Broadway, or you know, I think she's near New Jersey or New York, or I don't know where she's from, but it will be good to go there and see how they perform, because it's so live. It's like, it's really beautiful, and I'm glad that you are going into the mainstream here in US too, you know, and that's where we want you guys to take the our Indian classical Hindustani or Carnatic, you know, and take it to the next level, and kind of do that fusion even sometime. In this, I could see you're, you know, you're very well prepared for this.
वाह।
Thank you, Sandhu.
देवेंद्र जी, बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात बोली आपने, बहुत ही अच्छी बात बोली, कमाल की आपने इसमें। देखिए, मेरी जो मम्मी थी वो पढ़ी लिखी ज्यादा नहीं थी वो, लेकिन म्यूजिकल ऐसी थी कि मैं बता नहीं सकता हूं आपको। मेरी माँ हारमोनियम बजा के गाती थी, और उस वक्त ऐसा था कि मेरे जो नाना जी वगैरह थे वो बड़ा ऑब्जेक्ट करते थे, वो फिल्म को कुछ, संगीत को कुछ वो इतना इनकरेज नहीं करते थे। मेरे पिताजी का तो घराना खैर म्यूजिक का ही था, और मेवाती घराने के मेरे पंडित चाचा जी बहुत नाम कमाया उन्होंने। पिताजी बहुत गंधर्व इंसान थे, तबला बजाते थे, गाते थे। लेकिन आप बिलीव करिए, वो एक मेरी माँ बात बोलती थी, मैं जब कभी भी इंग्लिश गाने सुनता था तो बोलते थे, बेटा ये अंग्रेज लोग गाते बहुत सुर में हैं, और इनका पिचिंग का जो तरीका होता है इतना सही होता है, और वो सही होता है, इसीलिए वो ब्रॉडवे का फील आता है। तो वो फील जो था इसकी आवाज में आ रहा था जब ये होल्ड कर रही थी नोट। और ये लोग क्या करते हैं, ये जब आवाज लॉन्ग नोट होता है तो इस पे ये जैसे जैसे लॉन्ग नोट लंबा होता है इनका पुश बढ़ता है, और फिर वहां से विब्रेटो शुरू होता है इनका। हाँ, वो ऐसा लगता है, आप पूछिए, फिर वो पूरा ऑर्केस्ट्रा, यू नो द ब्यूटी ऑफ what you were singing was the broadness which you could create today, and that is a creditable thing. And I'm 100% sure if you pursue your singing career, you're surely bound to get some kind of destination which you deserve. This is what I feel.
Thank you, Hasita, once again. All the very best.
Thank you, Vita. Thank you.
The next performer is Amrita Menon. She's been the top 10 finalist in Cry America and for 2020. She's learned Carnatic for the last 10 years. She also enjoys painting and photography. The song
Right.
she picked up is from a very, very beautiful composition. It's a Raj Kapoor and Ravindra Jain Sahab's combination, which is there. And I believe this combination came up for the first time. Normally, Raj Kapoor camp used to work with Shankar Jaikishan or with Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji. And I
Ah.
believe he was there at some performance where Ravindra Jain was singing a bhajan. And this was the
Ah.
bhajan which he heard him perform. Ek Radha, Ek Meera. And he decided that time he's going to have this song and Ravindra Jain play a part in his next venture, which is there. So the movie is Ram Teri Ganga Mali. The song is Ek Radha Ek Meera, and perform that Amrita Menon. Let's have the performance, please.
एक राधा एक मीरा दोनों ने शाम को चाहा अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो एक प्रेम दीवानी एक तरस दीवानी एक प्रेम दीवानी एक तरस दीवानी एक राधा एक मीरा दोनों ने शाम को चाहा अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो एक प्रेम दीवानी एक तरस दीवानी मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर राधा के मनमोहन सगम पद पदम परे मग तरि सनि तरे रे गम गम पम पद पद सरि सरि मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर राधा के मनमोहन राधा नित श्रृंगार करे और मीरा बन गई जोगन एक रानी एक दासी दोनों हरि प्रेम की प्यासी अंतर क्या दोनों की प्रीत में बोलो अंतर क्या दोनों की प्रीत में बोलो एक जीत न मानी एक हार न मानी एक जीत न मानी एक हार न मानी एक राधा एक मीरा दोनों ने शाम को चाहा अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो एक प्रेम दीवानी एक तरस दीवानी एक प्रेम दीवानी एक तरस दीवानी एक प्रेम दीवानी एक तरस दीवानी
बहुत अच्छे बहुत अच्छे।
Very nice. Very nice. May we have Amrita on the stage with us? Hi, Amrita. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very nice. Very nice. Just as soon as the performance ended, both Jatin ji and Dr. Sandhu ji, they were clapping and they were saying all the good things about the performance.
Thank you.
So without further ado, let's go to Jatin sir. Sir, क्या कहना
बहुत
चाहेंगे?
बहुत बोल्ड आवाज है, आवाज पुख्ता आवाज लगती है, उम्र से ज्यादा पावर है आवाज में। एक चीज मैं हमेशा बड़े बड़े सिंगर्स को भी, मैं खैर उनको तो बहुत तजुर्बा होता है, लेकिन कई बार मैंने बहुत नए सिंगर्स को चांस दिया है, पलक मुच्छाल को दिया, जावेद अली को दिया। तो ये ऐसा है कि आप जब कोई शब्द बोलते हैं ना, तो उसकी बनावट ये होठों से होती है। उसको उसको फोकस में लाना, उसको छोटा कर देना, बड़ा कर देना, ये होठ उसमें बहुत ज्यादा काम करते हैं। तो आपका, जैसे आपकी आवाज तो बहुत अच्छी है, बुलंद आवाज है, लेकिन एक राधा एक मीरा दोनों ने शाम को, एक तो ये तरीका है, एक तरीका है एक राधा एक मीरा दोनों ने शाम को। तो you have to work on the broadness of the lips. You have got lot of good qualities. That's why I'm giving you this tip. This will help you. So don't mute the sound. You have to broaden it with your this part of your lips. It will sound all the more good, and it gets this is a tip, but you have got lot more many good qualities. Your sound is big, it is very full sound. It can be used for films, it can be used for classical, it can be used anywhere, because good voice is accepted anywhere. So
Absolutely.
you work on this diction, this, what you call throw of your sound, and you have a lot of potential, trust me.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you, Jatin sir. Dr. Sandhu.
Amrita, this is one of the best I have heard so far. I mean, you had a great, voice, and take these tips from Jatanji. And being a promoter, we want to put money behind somebody, who has got it all. Okay, I mean, as far as you, I think you brought the right gadgets. We could hear it very clearly, and that I will commend you to the people who are around you. They set up the mic, they did, and it is as important. And anybody who's hearing it, it's very important that if we have to analyze and give a comments on something, that it reaches our ears accordingly too. So मैं आपको सभी को, and to her family too, that they did put all this effort, bringing
Absolutely.
this kind of voice to us, and बहुत अच्छा, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी आपकी आवाज।
Thank you.
नहीं, बिल्कुल करेक्ट बोला आपका। इसका रिप्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा था।
बहुत
Even
अच्छा।
I liked it. I was enjoying it in very
Absolutely.
very nice.
So, Amrita, I need to see a much bigger smile on your face. Both the judges have such great things to say about you.
Thank you. Yeah, I will definitely use these tips.
Yep. And I believe you are under some guru. You're learning Carnatic music.
Yes.
And I'm sure you take this feedback, talk to your guru, and the guru is going to help and guide you further onto that.
Yes.
Absolutely. And any comments which you have, which you want to say to the judges, or any questions which you may have?
I'm very thankful for all these comments, and I will be using them definitely.
That's the right
Thank you.
spirit.
God bless
Amrita,
you. God-
thank you once again. Thank
Thank
you once again for joining us. All the very best. Keep practicing, keep rocking. All the best. Take care.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's move to our next performer, Ashwarya Menon from Portland, Oregon. Hi, Aishwarya. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very nice. Very nice. So, first question for you. We just heard the performance from Amrita.
Yes.
Are both of you sisters?
Twins.
Yeah, twins. Wow. Look at that. So, I'm going to ask you a very, very interesting and a naughty and a tough question. Between your performance and Amrita's performance, which one did you like better?
I will always support my sister, so I'll always say that she's done better.
All right. I'm sorry to put you through this question, but
No problem.
now I love your performance as I loved performance from Amrita as well. So if you're okay, let's go to our judges and seek their feedback. Jatin sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
भैया एक तो पता नहीं कि साउंड बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है कानों में। देखो ये चावल का तो एक दाने से ही पता चल जाता है, भले ही वो आधा बीच में कट गया हो, लेकिन बहुत बोल्ड और बहुत खूबसूरत आवाज है। और इन दोनों बहनों में खूबी यह है कि इनकी आवाज दोनों की बोल्ड है। ये रिकॉर्ड भले ही कैसे भी किया हो, थोड़ा फ्रंट में जाके किया हो, लेकिन आवाज में बोल्डनेस नजर आती है। और बहुत बहुत इसने तो जो मैं कहना चाह रहा था वो उस तरह से गाया भी है इसने।
राइट।
बहुत खुला गाया और ये मुश्किल गाना है। और सुर में देखिए एक वो चीज मैं आपको शब्दों में समझाना मेरे लिए मुश्किल होगा, लेकिन जिसके दिमाग में सुर एकदम गड़ा हुआ होता है ना, मुझे पता चल जाता है इसके कुदरत से इसके सुर दिमाग में गड़ा हुआ है।
वाओ,
इसका सुर लगता है करेक्ट, इसकी आवाज बोल्ड है, इसका वो खिलावट है इसके साउंड में। तो ये मेहनत इसको पेरेंट्स को 100% कराना चाहिए। बहुत अच्छा गाती है।
Thank you.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। ओके, डॉक्टर संधू सर।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सब कुछ कह दिया ने, लेकिन Ashwarya, I mean, I was kind of baffled first. What's happening? Because they're twins now. Now I see and she's such a wonderful kid. I mean, she said, "Hey, I love that. You know, the way you answered that question, which was posed to you. I mean, you're such a good human being. I mean, but you did very well, Ashwarya. I mean, I think that the only difference, if we have to choose between both of you, would be your choice of song. Okay, so but I mean we will discuss later on, and but both of you did very well. I can see the difference between both of them if I have to judge right now.
Wow, amazing. Aishwarya, any comments, any questions, whatever you heard as feedback from the judges till now?
Thank you for the wonderful feedback. I would just like to say this opportunity has been amazing, and thank you all for helping us in this process.
Amazing. Thank you, Aishwarya, once again for joining us. Keep practicing. All the very best. Take care.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Music and जतिन पंडित जी एंड डॉक्टर संधू, कमाल है, मजा आ गया आज का। तो मैं क्या कहूँ, आपकी बातें ही इतनी सुंदर है और ये परफॉर्मेंसेस ही इतनी अच्छी हैं कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं बैठा ही रहूँ। लेकिन समस्या ये है कि हम सभी समय से, काल से बंधे हुए हैं, तो इसलिए इस एपिसोड को यहीं पे खत्म करना पड़ेगा। सो माय 3 mates, लेट्स टेक ए स्मॉल ब्रेक. Till then, be here. I am waiting for you. Love you all.